What up, everybody? It's Pressure Boys. It's Big Tim. It's a nice, sunny, hot day up here in Georgia. I got a driveway and sidewalk cleaning to do. Let me show y'all what I'm about to do real quick. Let me show you the damage and how we're gonna do it. So, you gotta get that sidewalk all the way down to that meter, all the way up here. Got some mold stains. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit it with the X-Jet, you already know. Make sure that I put a hot enough mix in it to kill this black algae. Leave no stripes, and let's do it. Let's get this party started. Make sure my connection is right. Already checked the water pressure. I'm gonna go turn on my machine. I'm gonna use my M5 twist today. I really never used it, but today I feel like using it, so let's go. The first thing I'm gonna do is wet this concrete down, and I'm gonna come with the X-Jet and pre-treat it with some SH. On these hot summer days, make sure you stay hydrated. Get your electrolytes in. Be as healthy as you can be so you can continue to put your best foot forward. Also, be respectful to your clients. You have no idea what doors open up by showing some respect to people, especially your elders. They most likely will give you a tip. One thing I like about this M5 twist is this wide spray range that it has. That allows me to wet this concrete a lot faster. I just love pressure washing. It's my ultimate stress reliever. There's something incredibly satisfying about watching the dirt and grime just wash away, leaving behind a sparkly clean surface. There are moments when I find myself in my own zone, lost in thought, just brainstorming new ideas and future possibilities. It's a time for reflection and problem solving, where the art of pressure washing ignites with my creativity and passion. Being my own boss has always been my true calling. It grants me the freedom to navigate life on my terms, unlocking endless possibilities and work on projects that I always dreamed about. I even wrote a book about my journey and the lessons learned along the way. Make sure y'all get y'all a ball joint. That way I can change attachments without even turning off the car wash. This is my version of my X-Jet bucket. I got my X-Jet bucket at Walmart. Paid about $20 for it. It's been easy to mix bleach and water and carry it around. Real good product right here. I drop my X-Jet into there, and it's easy to work with. Very easy to work with. Yeah, see how that X-Jet gives you that wide range of motion? Great, it's excellent. This allows me to take the driveway a lot faster. The X-Jet has been a good investment to my equipment. It allows me to spray a stronger percentage of SH on surfaces compared to downstreaming. I will soon elevate to a soft wash system, but I'm 3 months into the business and this is working just fine. To bring you this amazing video, sponsored by Sauce Authentic Products, Beard Grooming Products on Amazon. Get ready to level up your beard grooming game with our deluxe beard grooming kits featuring 10 essential items for a soft and manageable, dapper beard. Discover the ultimate beard care experience with our premium beard oils, nourishing beard balm, revitalizing beard shampoo and condition, precision razor, and even a slick beard straightener for the perfect finishing touch. Check out the link below in the description. Grab your beard grooming kit today and let's get your beard all the way on point, man. While the SH is soaking in and working its magic, I don't go right ahead and just start surface cleaning. I'll go around and clean the edges and stuff, giving it time to soak in and work its magic. So that's a trick for you. Did you know that pressure washing can significantly increase the value of your home? It's not just about cleaning surfaces, it's about enhancing your home's curb appeal and leaving a lasting impression on a potential buyer. A well-maintained exterior not only showcases your property in its best light, but also adds significant value when you do decide to sell. That's why I'm eager to connect with a real estate agent or broker who understands the importance of presenting homes at their finest. I don't have a BE whirlaway, but what I do have is this Wojet that I got off of Amazon. Very highly rated. So let me tell you guys, it works to do the job. I have a 4 gallon per minute BE 4000 PSI machine. And they say you're supposed to use 16-inch surface cleaner with this, but I've been having great results. I bought me an X-Jet so I can spray down the hotter mix, and this has been working for me. As a beginner in the pressure washing game, I'm on a mission to acquire new customers and make my mark in the industry. Being creative is the key to unlocking doors and reaching potential customers. From Facebook and various groups, I immerse myself in pressure washing communities, learning valuable tips and tricks to hone my skills, running ads and utilizing my job pics and videos for reels. I showcase my work to boost my visibility and engagement. Nextdoor has been my secret weapon, tapping into the power of local connections and building trust in my community. As a beginner, I understand the importance of demonstrating professionalism through stellar deals, ensuring clients will return in the future. The SH has already faded a lot of this black mold that was on the concrete. I'll get that side of the sidewalk. I'm about to rinse that down. Then I'm gonna come back and finish this up right here. Walk slow while surface cleaning. From my experience, I like to use the old sobriety test method, putting one foot in front of the other, heel to toe. I try to rinse the concrete before it dries up, after the surface cleaner breaks up the dirt. Sometimes you still may have the slightest of striping, but that's why I pre-treat and post-treat with sodium hypochlorite. The sodium hypochlorite will fade any stripings left from the surface cleaner. This job is almost done, so let me put the finishing touches on it. Thank you guys for walking with me on my journey. We're gonna keep this popping and keep chopping up this game and get each other sharp as a Ginsu blade. If y'all enjoying these videos, y'all share them, y'all like them, y'all subscribe, even comment. I'll talk back. I love the engagement. Finished up here. Got this finished and pre-treated, post-treated. Make sure I ain't got no little streaking on there. Everything looks good. Driveway complete. sidewalks. Another job done. So there we have it. We have another concrete driveway cleaning. So get with y'all, pressure boards, baby.